Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. Today, I'm going to show you how to hide last seen status on your Telegram application. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that you'll get instant notifications as soon as we post a new video. To hide your last seen status on Telegram, simply tap Open Telegram application from the app list. Once you're in, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left. From the menu, tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap Privacy and Security. Under Privacy, you'll see Last Seen and Online. Tap on it, and under Who can see your last seen time, set to Nobody. If you want to add exceptions, then you can add users by tapping on Add Users and select them from your contact list. After you tap on Nobody under Who can see your last seen time, you won't be able to see last seen or online status for people with whom you don't share yours as well. Instead, you can see the approximate times that is shown on the status. For example, recently, within a week, within a month. After you're done setting your Who can see your last seen status, tap on the tick mark located at the upper right. Tap OK from your pop-up, and with this, you have hidden the last seen status on Telegram successfully. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.